Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue of movies and TV's app freezing, not working or not opening on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult to fix this problem. Search for the movies and TV's app in the Windows search bar and click on app settings in the right pane. Wait for it to load. Scroll down, select terminate, click on repair to repair this application. Wait till you get a tick mark here. If this doesn't help, then reset the app. Wait till you get a tick mark here. Try opening it. Okay, search for it. If it works, then it's okay. If not, then the last solution is to uninstall it. Uninstall this app. Let it uninstall. Then search for Store in the Windows search bar. Open Microsoft Store and search for the Movies and TV app. And then go to this app and click on Install. This way, you will be able to reinstall the Movies and TV app on your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.